Stir fry. Chicken. This is chicken. I did steak before, so it's the same concept. Sweet peppers, mushroom, fresh garlic, saute it, onions, Vidalia. And I put a lot of pepper, Montreal chicken. Got my Worcestershire, some A1, and some Sweet Baby Ray's, spicy. Saute this stuff for about 25 minutes. The chicken doesn't take long at all. I got some Spanish rice going over here for all my people. So check this out, guys. Pre-season this is what I did. Now watch. Doesn't take long because no bone. Just cut it little pieces. They're brown. Cook probably about 15-20 minutes max. Get that meat nice and brown. Make sure there's no clearness to it. It's got to be cooked all the way through, of course. But I'll send the recipe. I'm gonna have it write it down for you if you want to do it. It's real easy. Half hour, 40 minutes max, start to finish. Good shit. Easy. Sunday fun day. Bam. See ya. Look at this. Come on. Spanish rice. Look at that. That's a chicken stir fry, guys. This is the shit. Look at that. Make sure you saute all your veggies and get all them flavors cruising through there. Some chicken breast. 20 minutes after that, chicken's fine, beautiful. Gotta have all those seasonings. There's some Sweet Baby Ray's up in there. Look at this. Spanish rice. Damn. I'm gonna put mine right over the top. Look at this. Mix it together if you want. I'm just gonna grate like this. Take that back. Hoo, baby. There we go. Lunch on Sunday. See you guys. Bye-bye.